I'm a Jamaican actor. Of course. Where you say? Where dance keep? Alright, you gotta go so boom and take a left. And then you gotta go round. Where you say? Where dance keep?
Yeah.
Just go so boom and turn right. And you go boom it across the field. And you go see a plaza on your left. And you see right across from that. Boom! I dance that. I'm a Jamaican actor. Of course. Then you should have tried birds. At them sell the best part. You know, should have buy them up birds. At them sell the best parts, you know.
Come to Bert's Auto Parts.
I'm a Jamaican actor. Of course, you might hear BMW.
BMW.
Who's gonna win that car? Who's gonna win that BMW? Who's gonna win?
We're going to flow. I'm a Jamaican actor. Of course, I can play any profession. Mechanic, carpenter, farmer, doctor, vendor, contractor, runner.
Oh, you've been driving for a while.
I'm a Jamaican actor. Of course, I got see me in your favorite music videos.